Hello friends of electronic music, today I show you how Kikzilla works. Yeah, we developed Kikzilla to make really heavy bass lines in a very simple way. I have here a simple kick drum from a 909, listen to it. And of course, to make the rolling sound we need some rumble, and that's where Kikzilla is made for. It's a simple tool, it's a kind of a reverb connected with the envelope. The envelope is triggered by the input signal, in this case the bass drum, and some really nice features I will show you. Let's check how Kikzilla work in the basics. Yeah. First, we see here the input signal. First, we have to pull down the threshold that the envelope is triggered. Is this here lightning, then we now it's triggered. And now we hear a little bit of the reverb, but we can do it a bit longer with this envelope. First I will pull down hold. Yeah, there's the rumble. But now we can use this button here. It's a cutoff, but it's switched, so we can damp it. Yeah, and there's your rumble. Now we can tweak it a bit. We can play around with the envelope or use this simple equalizer. To cut down some frequencies. Use a distortion, pre-reverb, post-filter, or pre-filter or post-filter. I enjoyed very much pre-filter. Pull down the output gain. Okay, there's our rumble, and I prefer to record the rumbles because it's a reverb and it take a while that the reverb is in its full effect. And what I do now is freeze the reverb in the Kikzilla device. This little button here, do this. Now it's freezed, and there are some new functions popping up. First, I can force Kikzilla that he replay the reverb. So it's like the freeze function in Ableton. Yeah, when I pull down this button, everything is freezed, and now the recorded freeze sound, the rumble sound, will play back. I can reverse it. That's really cool. And then, and that is the main benefit, the main advantage of Kikzilla, drag and drop it as an audio file. I can put this button, drag it, zack, there is my rumble. What happened here? So, zack, 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 zack. There's my rumble. It's cool to have the rumble as an audio file because now you can fine-tune it and work with it however you want, how you are, do it with a complex chain of recording and all those stuff. Yeah? And duplicate it. Now I mute Kikzilla. I can do it here with a dry wet or either with make it off here. And there is my rumble. Yeah, and if you like now, you can say, okay, I want only this part of my rumble or only this part. You can. So you can edit your rumble in a perfect way. And it works for every kick drum you can imagine. Just drop Kikzilla on your kick drum, work with the envelope, play around with the envelope, play around with the damping, drop it in your DAW, in your DAW, and enjoy the fattest rumble and the simplest rumble ever. Have fun with Kikzilla.